Hello everyone. How to download WeLive app? Imagine a world where meeting new friends across the globe is just a tap away. With WeLive, the premier one-on-one and multiplayer online video chat app, you can dive into vibrant conversations and forge meaningful connections anytime, anywhere. Ready to embark on this exciting journey? Here's how you can download and start using WeLive. Firstly, open the Google Play Store on your device. In the search bar, type WeLive, video chat and meet and press enter. Look at the app in the search results and tap on it. Tap the install button to begin downloading. Here's a note. Ensure your device is running Android 6.0 or higher for optimal performance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to expand your social circle and experience the thrill of real-time conversations. Download WeLive today and step into a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for watching. Smash that like button, hit subscribe and share it.